For most of these platforms out there, the failure rate of people who try to take a challenge and hope to pass it is roughly around 90%. So 1 in 10% passes the challenge, and 9 others are failing the challenge. Now, that brings the question of how do you increase your odds of passing these platform challenges? And I wanted to dedicate a full video to this today. What's a treasure? Come back to Bangkok once again. I'm in this hotel now, a Marriott in Bangkok once again. A pretty cool place. Now we just launched our Black Friday sale a couple of days ago, and we still have this for a few more days, so you still have a chance to get a pretty big discount on all of our programs. So check out the link below to see all those discounts, or if you're watching this right on the page for the Black Friday, just scroll down below and you'll find all these links there and all the discounts on all of our programs. Today I wanted to dedicate a full video to passing platform challenges and how to increase the odds of passing these challenges. Because Black Friday, because it's fun, it's the holidays soon and everything, I decided to invite Michael and Alejandro, two people that I work with at Desire to Trade, who are really good traders and they really know what they talk about. So I decided to invite them here on the video to give you their advice, and you'll hear that pretty soon. So how do you increase your odds of passing a challenge? Well, let's dive right in.
The first way to increase your odds of passing a trading challenge is to have a specific trading plan. If you do not have a written trading plan, it's really hard for you to pass a trading challenge. You really are just gambling at this point, and you will mostly be passing by luck if you pass, but most likely you will be part of the statistics of the really large percent of traders that fail the trading challenge. A specific trading plan has three important parts. The first one is to have a proven strategy rules that you can follow. These rules are what you're going to be following every single day when you are trading in order to determine where you get into the trade, how you get into there, if you have any indicators, price action setups. Basically, they will indicate you what you're going to be taking trades on and what you're not going to be taking trades on. Etienne did in the past a really good video about using a simplified version of a trading plan with the one-page trading plan, which you can watch on with the card in the video. Then the next part, now you have your written trading plan, it's you need to have in your trading plan execution rules. It's really important to have a trading plan, but if your trading plan it's not able to be executed on, or you're not able to trade your trading plan, then it's really not a useful trading plan. So in your trading plan, you have to have rules of execution, how you're going to execute, what are you going to be your alternative options for placing trades, stop losses, trailing, so that you are able to put that plan that you have and then apply it into real life in the real market. And the last key factor of a specific trading plan is the risk management. It's really important that you include risk management in your trading plan. If risk management is not included in your trading plan, you may have a good plan, but without risk management, you are still going to fail. Risk management is extremely important for platform challenges. Risk management in your trading plan is going to tell you how much you can risk per trade, how are you going to handle different type of situations or different type of trades. If you have multiple strategies, the risk management section in your trading plan should include how you are going to be trading all of them, if you are going to be placing many trades or not many at the same time, and how you're going to be handling the dynamics between the things. So to recap, in order to have a specific written trading plan, you need proven strategy, execution rules, and your risk management for a specific trading plan. Once you have a written specific trading plan, then you are going to have much higher odds of passing the challenge.
So we want to improve our chances of passing the challenge. Well, here are a few tips. 1. Understand the little quirky nuances with each prop firm that you take the challenge with. They may have some daily stop limits that you may not be familiar with or different with in your regular trading. Keep all those little nuances in mind and understand them. Number 2, understand that your platform may be different from theirs as well. The last thing we want is platform trading errors due to not understanding their platform. It may be different. So take a demo if you can before you can take the actual challenge. And number 3, understand that you may need to make a tweak or two to your actual trading strategy while you're taking the challenge. Okay, we're not going to take 5% risk on something where we have 2% away from our winning the challenge in the last few days. Okay, it just makes sense where we may not do that or do that in our regular trading. So understand that where you are in the challenge, how many days you have left, could alter your trading style.
Alright, so these were good advice. Now my third way of increasing your odds of passing the challenge is knowing your strengths and weaknesses. What I mean by this is that you need to be aware of what you're good at and what you're not good at, so that you know exactly, first of all, when you're likely to fail in the challenge, when you're likely to make a mistake. Like if you know you're impulsive and you always take these wrong trades, watch my impulsive trading video, which I'll link somewhere here in the corner. But that's something you got to work on. That's something you got to be aware of first, because we want to be able to understand our strengths and weaknesses, but then we want to be able to change this around and find strategies to overcome that. Once you know when you're likely to fail, the next step is monitoring your progress during the challenge. See how you progress. See if there's any trade that kind of stick out as being really, really bad trades. See if you went into a downward spiral of not being disciplined in trading. See how things are evolving. Now, most people in the challenge, what happens is that they start really confident, they go in really, really good. After a couple of days, right, they have a few losing trades, then they start to doubt themselves, start to force things up more to be able to take the right trades, they add more size to the trade, and then it just goes like downward from here. So you want to be able to monitor your progress, see if everything is constant, see if the habits you're supposed to do on a daily basis still work out, you still do them right now, and monitor where you're heading and your performance overall. And the last thing, the third thing, is to be able to get back on track quickly, because things will happen. No matter if it's in the challenge, if it's after the challenge, when you trade full-time, when you're a professional trader, things will happen. Right? You're going to have a tough time, a drawdown, you're going to have an investor leaving you, you're going to lose an account for a prop firm. These things will happen. So if you're able to get back on track quickly, that is a skill that people are paid highly for. It's a skill that few people have, but people who are able to get back really fast, get back on track, and have really good progress in life in general. So that is a big, big thing. So I hope this video was useful for you, hope you got some value out of it, of course. Just to recap how to increase your odds of passing a challenge. We talked about having a specific trading plan. We talked about how to practice your challenge before you take the challenge for real. And we talked about how to know your strengths and weaknesses and how to use those to perform better. Now, as you know, it's a Black Friday, so we have a couple of discounts in the program. You can check this out with the link below, as always, or scroll down if you're already watching the video on the Black Friday page. All the discounts are there until Monday at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So you'll be able to grab these programs right now. You're saving like up to 52% on our programs. And I really hope we can work with you. It's not just about like saving money in the program, it's about getting to work together. And I want to help you get results this coming year, of course. If you've not been where you want this year, next year is the time to really push it and make it work. So we're here to help. Whether it's to get funded, we have a program called the Ultimate Prop Firm Trader that's helping you get funded by prop firms. We'll teach you all the right habits, the right skills to get funded and pass the challenges really easily. A student passed the challenge at 80% of the time, which is a lot higher than the 10% by the typical prop firm. So that can be a really good help. And we have a few more programs about creating your own strategy and a coaching program, of course, the Desire Trade Academy. Check those links below. Let me know if you have any questions in the chat, and I'll catch you back here in the next video pretty soon. Ciao.